Good morning. It's another video, and we're going to be fixing another problem with 3D printing. As you know, this is my 2024 F250. Let me show you what we've done before. So the last problem we had to fix was here in the gas cap area. So we added a gas cap keeper because they want you to put the gas cap over this little thing and then it flops around and bangs into stuff. And it's just stupid. So I made this holder that holds the gas cap. Awesome. So that's one monumental problem down on my F250. The next problem, major problem, is the stupid cup holders are too small. They don't fit. This is my Owala bottle that I take with me everywhere. And you've got this big giant truck and little ass cup holders. And this is my wife's Volkswagen Atlas. Same thing. It doesn't fit. Problem is that this is her third Volkswagen Atlas that she's had over the years, and they all fit in the other ones. So they actually made the cup holders smaller. Why don't these companies put a decent sized cup holder? Everybody carries big shit around like this these days. Nobody carries a can, and that's all that you could fit in there. So we need to fix it now. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, it fits. Yep, it fits. It's pretty good in there too. Fits right inside the little lip of this thing. Works out pretty good. I don't think stuff's gonna tip out. Sweet. Let's go try the Atlas. Yep, it fits. Arguably even better than in the F250. It fits in there too. Cool. All right. Well, I guess I'm going to be printing out a couple more of these. Well, I guess that's it for this one. Until I find other engineering problems with my truck or the car or something else. I did get a new lawnmower we need to do some stuff for. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe. Peace out. Sauerkraut.